You spend hours creating a report or a catalog, and then you send it as a PDF, and it quietly disappears into someone's downloads folder, probably never opened again. What if instead it felt interactive, looked premium, and actually kept people engaged? That's where Flipsnack comes in. It takes any PDF and transforms it into a professional, interactive flipbook in seconds.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
So first, let's talk about what Flipsnack actually is. Flipsnack is an online platform that lets you take any PDF, a report, a catalog, a proposal, anything, and instantly transform it into an interactive digital flipbook. We're talking realistic page flipping animations, mobile-friendly design, shareable via a simple link, and fully trackable analytics. And the best part? You don't need any design experience, and there's no complicated software to install. You simply upload your file, it converts, and you share. That's the whole idea. So first, we'll start by uploading our PDF file. Click on the Create button, then go to Upload Files and select your PDF directly from your device. Once you choose the file, it will begin uploading automatically. After the upload is complete, the platform will instantly start converting your PDF into a flipbook. And just like that, your flipbook is ready. Now you'll see a variety of customization options. You can change the branding, add your logo, adjust accent colors, and even modify the background to match your style. You can preview the flipbook right away. If you like how it looks, you're good to go. But if you want to make it more interactive, click on Edit Flipbook. Inside the editor, you'll find multiple powerful tools. Go to the Interaction section where you can enhance your flipbook with clickable elements. Let's start by adding a link area. A link area allows you to place a clickable zone anywhere on the page. You can attach different actions to it, like opening a URL, sending an email, downloading the PDF, or navigating between pages. Simply paste your link and it's ready. You can also customize its color and even control its opacity. Next, we have link buttons. These are more structured and visually clear. You can assign a single action, like opening a URL. You also get options to open the link in the same tab or a new tab, and you can customize the button's shape by adjusting its roundness. Let's add one more button. Resize it and increase the corner roundness for a smoother look. Simple and clean. Now let's move to video features. You can add a video button where users click and get redirected to a video, like a YouTube link, or even better, you can use Video Embed. With this, the video appears directly inside your flipbook. Just paste the video URL and you can control settings like autoplay, mute, loop, and controls. For better user experience, we'll disable autoplay so viewers can choose when to play it. Now let's preview everything. And here it is, your fully interactive flipbook. Compared to a regular static PDF, this looks way more engaging and professional. You can flip pages smoothly, click on links, open websites, and even watch embedded videos directly inside the document. So, from a simple PDF, you've created a dynamic, interactive experience. What do you think? Now let's move forward and create another one. We'll upload a new PDF file, and this time, we're going to use AI to animate our visuals, images, backgrounds, and other elements inside the pages. To do this, click on any image or background, then select the Animate option. Here you'll find 3 different animation styles: Auto Animate, Living Photo, Focusing. If you want a still frame with subtle motion, go with Living Photo. It animates the image while keeping the frame stable. No camera angle changes, just a clean, gentle effect. For a zoom-in effect, use the Focusing option. It draws attention to the key visual in a smooth, cinematic way. And for a more dynamic, fully animated result, select Auto Animate. Just keep in mind, once you apply it, the processing usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes as the images are being converted into short video clips. Now let's open the preview and see how everything turned out. On this page, we animated an image of a water droplet dripping into a pond, and as you can see, it's beautifully animated. You can immediately notice how much more engaging the video looks compared to a still image. Let's check another page. Just like that, this one has been animated as well. Overall, animated visuals add so much more life and energy to a flipbook. It's one of those features that genuinely makes a difference in how your audience experiences the content. Now, when you're ready to share your flipbook, simply go to the Share Now option. Set the visibility to public, then click Publish, and your flipbook is live. From there, you can share it using a direct link, generate and share a QR code, or send it directly via email. You can also do SEO optimization right from this panel, which helps your flipbook get discovered through search engines. Now, one of the most powerful features of this tool is its Analytics dashboard. Click on the Analytics option and you'll see a detailed performance overview, including how much traffic your flipbook has received on different dates. You also get AI-powered insights that analyze your data and once enough information is collected, generate a summary to help you understand performance and improve your flipbook over time. Another standout feature is the heat map. A heat map shows you exactly where users are clicking inside your flipbook, so you can identify which areas are getting the most engagement. This feature is available on the Enterprise plan. You can also check the location map, which shows you where in the world your traffic is coming from. On top of that, the dashboard gives you insights into device sources, traffic channels, quiz and question results, contact form responses, all of it in one place. And in the Overview section, you can analyze performance page by page, seeing how many views each page received, how many clicks it got, and the overall engagement level per page. It's a complete analytics suite that gives you full visibility into how your flipbook is performing. Now let's create one more flipbook, this time using a Media Kit PDF. Once it's uploaded and converted, you can immediately see how professional and engaging it looks as a flipbook. For this one, we want to add some social media links, specifically for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. We'll insert the social buttons, paste in the URLs, and then adjust the opacity so they blend seamlessly with the design. And just like that, the flipbook is ready to publish. Let's check the full screen preview. The page animations are smooth, everything feels interactive, and the overall experience is really impressive, especially considering it all started as a simple PDF. Now, if you want complete creative control over your flipbook, Flipsnack also offers a Make from Scratch option. Here, you can start with one of the many available templates, organized by category, and customize it to fit your needs. Or, if you prefer to build everything yourself, you can start from a completely blank page and design your flipbook from zero using all the elements and features the tool provides. This option is perfect if you have strong design knowledge and want full flexibility over the final result. Now quickly, why choose a flipbook over a plain PDF? Most PDFs get downloaded and forgotten. Flipbooks stay online, feel interactive, and people actually engage with them. On mobile, PDFs can be frustrating, constant zooming and scrolling. Flipbooks, on the other hand, are smooth and fully responsive. And the biggest difference? With a PDF, you get no feedback, but with flipbooks, you can see who viewed it, how long they stayed, and what they clicked. So instead of guessing, you actually know what's working. Flipsnack is the top-rated flipbook software on the market, so if you want to try this out for yourself, I've left a link in the description and comments. You can go there, upload your own PDF, and see how it turns into an interactive flipbook in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.